Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete Google Photos backup, storage management step by step. Open the Google Photos app on your Android phone or iPhone. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi so the app can load your library and settings correctly. Tap your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Tap Photos settings to enter the main settings menu. Tap Backup and turn on Backup if you need to check what is currently being backed up. Look at the backup status line to confirm whether backup is on and which Google account is selected. Tap the Google account name and switch accounts if you are using the wrong one. Go back one screen and tap Manage Storage to open Storage Management Tools. Review the storage bar to see how much space Photos is using in your Google account. Tap Large Photos and Videos to find items that consume the most storage. Select the items you want to remove from cloud storage, then tap Delete. Confirm the delete action, and remember this removes items from Google Photos Cloud, not just your phone. Return to Manage Storage and tap Screenshots to remove unnecessary screenshot backups. Select unwanted screenshots and delete them to free space quickly. Return again and tap Blurry Photos to remove low-quality images you do not need. Select and delete blurry items to reduce storage without losing important memories. If you want to stop future backups, go back to Photos settings. Tap Backup and turn off Backup to stop uploading new photos and videos. When asked, confirm that you want to turn off backup for this device. To remove already backed up items in bulk, open photos.google.com in a web browser on a computer. Sign in with the same Google account you checked in the app. Click Storage on the left side to open Google One Storage View for photos. Open Google Photos from there and use search filters like videos or large to target big files. Select many items by holding Shift on desktop, then click the trash icon to delete. Open the trash in Google Photos to finalize storage savings. Click Empty Trash and confirm, because storage is not fully freed until trash is emptied. On your phone, check Google Photos trash as well and empty it if it still contains items. Wait a few minutes, then revisit Manage Storage to confirm the storage number has updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.